Hello there! Today we will be making faces in different angles. Well, this sounds a little exciting. Let's see what do we have in our book. We have a face which is looking in front, on the diagonal and on the side. So let's start by the first one. Here she is looking right in front. Let's start by drawing the face. Yes, at first it will feel like we are making a boy's face, but not to worry. You need to start by making the U of the face and then make the hair. After that, let's start by making a standing line and a sleeping line so that we can have a proper measurement for the eyes, nose and the mouth. It is going to be a symmetrical drawing. So let's start by drawing this nicely. Go very slow by making all of these details. And now start by making the hair. Once we are done with the hair, we will make the ears. That's lovely. Let's erase this part now. Yes, because that is being overlapped by the hair. That's great. Now, let's continue doing the next thing, wherein we draw the oval and then start by making the hairline and then the ears. Instead of making a straight line this time, we will make a curved line in the center. This is going to help us identify the line of our nose. After that, let's continue making the eyebrows and then the eyes. Once we are done with that, let's make the extra parts and then the hair. Make the hair slowly and nicely. That's lovely. Finally, let's start by making the last figure, which is looking on the left hand side. Once we are done with the oval, we will make the hairline and then the ears. After that, let's make the forehead and then the nose, followed by the lips and then the chin. This looks very interesting. Go ahead by making the entire structure. And after that, erase the parts which are not required or overlapped. That's beautiful. Give it a nice finishing touch up. And then let's start by coloring this. Let's give a beautiful outline of ochre color. And then start by coloring skin right on top. We will blend both the colors nicely. This looks very interesting. After that, we will do black for the eyebrows and the eyes. Give the nose a beautiful shape and then highlight her features. That's amazing. After that, let's start by making these lines for her hair. You can also use a darker color, which is a darker brown. Let's go ahead by doing it with the darker brown now. We've made her hair a little thin. You can also make it a little fatter. This is lovely. Let's do her lips pink now. That's brilliant. Let's move forward and go ahead by coloring the next one. We are going to take a black color at first and color this slowly and nicely. Yes, very lightly. After that, we are going to start by making these lines, which are the strands of hair on the scalp. Something like this. And then let's do it with black color as well. Continue doing the eyes with black color. And give the nose a beautiful highlight. After which, we will start by coloring the entire face with the help of skin color. And then let's use pink color for the lips. Now, let's go ahead by coloring this entire section with light brown color. Well, yes, we are going to experiment it. Then, let's take dark brown and do it on top. Again, making these strands of hair. Once we are done with that, let's go ahead by making straight lines. That is lovely. Now, highlight her features once again. That is nice. And then make her lips with pink color. Finally, let's make her eyebrows and her eyes. That's lovely. And look at that, our faces with different angles are done.